Good day everyone, welcome to this video tutorial about the fascinating world of hyperbola in conic section. Let's go. So what is a hyperbola? Hyperbola is a set of all points in a plane such that the difference of the distance from two fixed points called foci to any point on the hyperbola is constant. The center of the hyperbola is the midpoint between the foci. The axes intersect at the center, forming the transverse and conjugate axes. A hyperbola is a type of smooth curve lying in a plane, has two pieces called conic components or branches that are mirror image of each other and resemble two infinite bows, like this. A hyperbola is a set of points whose difference of distance from two foci is constant value. The difference is taken from the distance from the further focus and the distance from the nearer focus. For a point on the hyperbola and for two foci and the locus of the hyperbola. So here in the picture in analytic geometry, the conic section that is formed when the plane intersects a double right circular cone at an angle such that both halves of the cones are intersect. So, as I said earlier, and this is intersection of the plane and the cone produce two separate unbounded curves that are mirror image of each other. It is called the hyperbola. Here in the picture, the orange one, that is a plane that cut the cone and is formed to mirror curve. Continue. These are the hyperbola equation. There are two hyperbola equations. The equations are based on the transverse axis and the conjugate axis of each of the hyperbola. The standard equation of the hyperbola is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equals to 1. It has a transverse axis at the x-axis and the conjugate axis is the y. Another equation is the y squared over a squared minus a squared over b squared is equals to 1, and it has a transverse axis of the y-axis and its conjugate axis is the x-axis. The below image shows the two standard forms of the equation of the hyperbola. There, this is the example of the standard equation. The left side is where the x-axis is longer, while the right side is the y is the longer. Take note here. This is the formula. Yeah, both both. Yeah. The x is in first because has long. It has a major, while in the right side is y squared is first is because he has a major axis. Take note that the a squared is the longer and this is in the x-axis. Here, this is longer. Assume that the a is A is 6, this is 6 here and 6 here. And B is 4, okay, 4 here, 4, no, 4 and 4, and this is 6 and 6. Take note that the longer is here, the x, and the shorter is the y. Same as here at the right side. Y-axis has bigger, here 6 and 6, and here same. While this is the y-x, the b. This is the b. I hope that you learn from this video, this short tutorial about hyperbola. Comment in this video, and thank you everyone. Bye bye.